All right, guys, it's here. This is the day I've been waiting for. The first 2022 KTM SX model is here, and it's a super popular bike. Let's check it out. That's right, guys. 2021 125 SX. These are in super high demand. It's the first KTM we got. I can't wait to see what this thing looks like. Let's pop the top. Check it out, guys. Look at that orange frame. I'm a huge fan of the orange frame. That's what I dislike most about my bike, having a black one. Look at the blue in the graphics. The dark blue seat cover really sets it off. Man, but that orange frame and that primarily orange shroud, I can already just tell that's gonna look amazing. I can't wait another second. Let's get the cardboard off, get the plastic off, and take a second look. Check that out, guys. I am stunned by that. Definitely my favorite look in the last 3 or 4 years at least. Love the graphic, love the blue. The orange frame is amazing. It makes me want to trade in the 19 for a 22, even though otherwise the bike's the same. But man, I dig it. All right, let's get it out of the crate. Let's get it assembled. Let's get it out in the sunlight, and let's take a good look and talk about it. All right, guys, here it is in all its glory, the 2022 KTM 125 SX. This is the first 2022 model we've got in, and it did not disappoint. This is my favorite graphic scheme since I've been here at the dealership, so at least 2 or 3 years. I just love the color. I love that there's enough KTM logo there, which you can just glance at it and know what it is. Looks sharp. I love the two-tone blue. Yes, that is a blue seat cover. Still up in the air on that, but I mean, it's a seat cover. If you don't like it, you can put a, or it's a seat. If you don't like it, you can put a cover on it for 40 bucks. So the bike looks great, though. I love the orange frame. And that's all we really have to talk about today, guys, because that is the only changes to the 2022 model line of the 125 SX is the graphics, is the look. Nothing else changed except for these little bolts right here that hold the frame guards on. In the past have been, they're 5mm threads, but in the past they've been 6mm heads, and now they're 8. Just kind of handier to work around the garage and I have to find that random 6. So yeah, the bike's all the same besides the look, but that doesn't bother me because the look is phenomenal this year. See, get some graphics in the fork guards. Now this is all embossed. Everything is made into the plastic except for this side panel right here. This is an actual sticker, and then the model number sticker that the dealer puts on. Everything else is made into plastic. Looks really cool. Orange frame guards on the orange frame. Looks good. We all just absolutely love this bike. All right, guys, little post edit. I forgot to mention that this bike also comes with the vented airbox cover for the left side and a decal for that as well. Man. This one is accounted for already, guys, but if you're interested in one of these, contact Mike at aomc.mx, and there may be another batch of these coming in. This is a very popular model. These things go fast. If you want one of these, get with us or get to your local dealer and put down a deposit, because they are going to go quick. And that's probably going to be the case with almost all the models this year, but is usually the case with the 125s every year. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new here, I'm Ryan, the MX Guru. and I'm stationed at AOMC. That's Appalachian Off-Road MC, Appalachian Source, KTM, Husky, Gas, Beta, and Sherco. And yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to keep an eye on the channel, because some of the bikes I'm going to be showing you do have some updates for 2022 models. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.